Hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to take a screenshot of a Snapchat conversation or a snap without the user being notified. So go to the App Store or Play Store, depends on which device you're using. So search for Snapchat and make sure you have the app updated to the latest version. After that, open your Snapchat and then open your chats and conversations and then open the snap or the conversation of which you would like to take screenshot. Now what you have to do is turn on airplane mode before doing anything. So after turning it on, you can open Snap or conversation and take the screenshot of that conversation or snap. Now before turning off the airplane mode, what you have to do is uninstall Snapchat application and then install it again. So you need to uninstall it from your settings, or you can do that by opening your store. Once the Snapchat is uninstalled, you can turn off your airplane mode and then install Snapchat again and log into your account. And that's how you can screenshot on Snapchat without the user knowing. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe the How To channel.